Hi, my name is Linda and my course of study is Common Engineering. So for the assignment, we are given with the quadratic equation y equal to a squared plus bx plus c with the input values for b and c. And we are going to solve this quadratic equation with the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So firstly, let's take a look at the table. So in the table, we are given with the values of x, and we are going to substitute the values of x and the values of b and also the values of c inside this equation to get the values of y. So after getting the values of y for the whole table, we can start working on the graph by plotting the values from the table. So let's take a look at the graph. So here the blue graph is the basic graph y equal to a squared, and the red graph is the graph of the equation y equal to a squared plus bx plus c, which is shifted from the basic graph y equal to a squared. And after that, we are going to find the values of the number discriminant and with the formula b squared minus 4ac. So with the given input values of b and c, we get the discriminant values of minus 11. Here, after that, we are going to find the values of x1 and x2 with the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. And here is a NUM cause the solutions are not real solution. To answer conclusion 4, we are given with the completed square form y equal to x plus b by 2 the whole square plus c minus b squared by 4. The horizontal shape of the graph y equal to a squared plus bx plus c from the basic graph y equal to a squared depends on the values of b by 2. So if the values of b by 2 is positive, the graph will shift to the left by b by 2 unit. If the values of b by 2 is negative, the graph will shift to the right by b by 2 unit. So for this problem, with the given input values of b and c, the values of b by 2 is positive. That's why the graph shifts to the left by b by 2 unit. And the variation for the graphs depends on the values of c minus b squared by 4. So if the values of c is greater than the values of b squared by 4, the graph shifts upward. If it is opposite, the graph shifts downward. For this problem, the values of c is greater than the values of b squared by 4. That's why the graph shifts upward. To answer conclusion 5, with different discriminant value, we can guess how many real solution we're gonna have for the quadratic equation. Like if the values of the number discriminant is positive, we have two real solution. If the value is equal to 0, there will be only one real solution. If the value is negative, there will be no real solution. The answer will only be complex number, like how it happened with this problem. Here we get the discriminant values of minus 11, which is negative. That's why we don't have real solution for this problem. And lastly, I'm going to demonstrate how the values inside the table and the graph change dynamically with different input values of b and c. So I'm going to change the value of values of b to 6, and the value of c to 8. We can take a look at the table. The values inside the table change, and also the graph shift differently compared to the last problem. Here we have the discriminant values of 4, which is positive. That's why we have two real solution, minus 2 and minus 4. And I'm going to change the values of b, a to 2, and the values of c to 1. And here we can take a look at the table again. The values inside the table change, and also the graph shift differently compared to the last problem. Here we get the discriminant values of 0. That's why we only have one real solution for this problem, which is minus 1. Thank you.